Welcome back to my channel. Wildlife animals. Deep in the dense and mysterious rainforests of Central Africa lives one of the world's most secretive and unique animals, the Okapi. Often called the forest giraffe, the Okapi is a creature so rare that for centuries the world believed it was only a myth. Today on Wildlife Animals, we explore the complete lifestyle of this extraordinary animal and uncover how it survives in one of the most challenging habitats on Earth. The Okapi may look like a combination of many animals: striped legs like a zebra, a body resembling a horse, and the long neck structure of a giraffe. But the truth is, it is the closest living relative of the giraffe. Despite their connection, okapis live a very different lifestyle, adapted specially for life in the thick tropical jungles of the Democratic Republic of Congo. A typical day for an Okapi begins in the early morning when the rainforest is still cool and damp. The Okapi is a solitary and elusive animal. It avoids open areas, prefers shadowy trails, and uses dense vegetation to stay hidden from predators. Its dark reddish-brown coat blends perfectly with the forest shadows, acting as natural camouflage. The zebra-like stripes on its legs are not for show, they help young okapis follow their mother through the dark jungle paths. Okapis are browsers, meaning they feed on leaves instead of grass. Their long, flexible tongues, almost 14 inches long, allow them to reach leaves, buds, ferns, and fruits from short and tall plants. Their tongue is so long that they use it to clean their eyelids and ears. This unique adaptation helps them survive in areas where food is scattered and hard to reach. They have a highly selective diet and can consume more than 100 types of plants, including some that are toxic to humans. Okapis have evolved strong digestive systems that can break down these otherwise harmful plants. They spend a large part of their day feeding, slowly moving through the forest, picking leaves with careful movements, and listening to every sound around them. The Okapi's lifestyle is built around silence. They are extremely quiet animals. To avoid predators like leopards, they move slowly, step softly, and rely on their exceptional hearing to detect danger. Their large, rotating ears act like satellite dishes, capturing even the faintest crack in the bushes. When threatened, an Okapi will freeze, blending into the deep shadows of the vegetation. Communication among okapis is equally subtle. They use soft whistles, low-frequency calls, and scent markings to communicate. Some of their sounds are so low-pitched that humans cannot hear them. This allows okapis to stay connected without attracting predators. The life of a young Okapi is carefully protected. A mother Okapi gives birth to a single calf after a long pregnancy of nearly 14 to 16 months. Once born, the calf does not follow its mother immediately. Instead, it spends the first few weeks hidden in a secure nest site within the forest. The mother visits only a few times a day to feed and groom the calf. This behavior helps the newborn avoid predators during its most vulnerable stage. The bond between mother and calf is strong. When the calf begins walking and exploring, the mother guides it through the forest, teaching it how to browse, identify safe paths, and detect sounds of danger. The stripes on the mother's legs help the calf stay close even in thick vegetation. Okapis are territorial animals. Each individual occupies a large area, marked with scent glands on their feet and with urine. These invisible boundaries help prevent conflicts and allow each Okapi enough space to find food. Though solitary, they cross paths occasionally at feeding grounds or salt licks, which are natural mineral-rich areas that okapis need to stay healthy. Okapis rely heavily on their sense of smell. Their noses analyze scents left by other animals, helping them know if an area is safe or if another Okapi is nearby. Their eyesight is not as developed as other animals, but their hearing and smell make up for it. The Congo rainforest, home of the Okapi, is one of the oldest and richest ecosystems on Earth. But life here is not easy. Predators like leopards roam the shadows, while the thick vegetation can become a trap during heavy storms. Despite the dangers, the forest provides everything the Okapi needs: food, shelter, water, and protection. However, the Okapi's greatest threat today is not from predators, but from human activity. Habitat loss due to deforestation, illegal mining, and hunting have brought okapis dangerously close to extinction. Their quiet nature makes them vulnerable, as they cannot escape quickly when their habitat is disturbed. Many Okapi populations have declined sharply in recent years. Conservation programs are working hard to protect this remarkable animal. National parks, reserves, and monitoring groups help safeguard Okapi habitats. Scientists study their behavior to understand how best to protect them. Communities living near the forest are being educated about the importance of preserving wildlife, especially rare species like the okapi. Still, the okapi remains one of the world's least understood animals. Much of its behavior happens deep in the dense rainforest, where human presence is minimal. This secrecy adds to the okapi's mysterious charm, capturing the imagination of wildlife researchers and nature lovers across the world. The okapi is more than just an unusual-looking animal. It is a symbol of the hidden wonders of nature, a reminder that our planet still holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Its peaceful lifestyle teaches us that survival is not always about strength or speed. Sometimes it is about silence, patience, and adaptation. From its elegant movements to its deep connection with the forest, the okapi represents the delicate balance of the natural world. As long as the Congo's forests continue to stand, the okapi will remain one of Earth's most fascinating treasures.